Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Space Hippie. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you'll never miss any of our latest videos. With all that said, let's get into it. So again, what's really dope about this pickup is that this is like Nike, well, Air Jordan's contribution to sustainability, and they're affecting all like your usage of materials. This is Nike's way of moving into zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. I've just read it from the little blurb that's on the top of the lid, and you'll find it's the same exact words as the Flyknit 2020 we did review. It's similar. Like, I love what Nike are doing in regards to calling out all their sustainability, all their recycling, and all that, like really good projects, really good products that help benefit our society in regards to like waste and plastic pollution, etc. So before I get into that, before I get into the review, I just want to mention that we've got this. This is also known as the Air CRATER, and this Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air, we were able to get this in a UK size 6, European 39, and it's a US 6.5. The only difference between the boxes are the Jumpman logo brass there. So, open, and there it is. Really dope looking sneaker. It looks like it's denim. I don't know if there's an Air Denim Jordan 1, I think there is. But this reminds me of like an all denim Jordan. Really futuristic design, really nice actually. So let's start with the outsole. So what's different than this outsole is that this is made up of waste. This is like Nike's CRATER foam. So this is made up of Nike's other foam units, be it Phylon, EVA, rubber. This all makes up the midsole and outsole unit. And you've got that nice traditional Air Jordan 1 outsole and the speckle print as well. It's all around, it's like a paint splatter. Moving up into the midsole area, so this midsole again uses the Zoom X cushioning that we have featured before in our Nike ISPA Drifter. It's a similar design, similar materials. That's all used in this midsole area. So you've got that nice comfort, and again, it's all recycled. Nike are recycling all their old units of midsole units. If we go along the upper, so this is all the space hippie vibe. So what we've got here, it's a lot of recycled yarn knits. I think it's a space yarn. That's what Nike have called it on their descriptions. So you've got all this covering the upper material, and you've got the nice pink stitching that's around the heel. It's a nice colour. You look really closely, it's got different speckles of like blue, grey, and you've got the traditional Nike swoosh that you'll find. And on the medial side, you'll find the Zoom technology, just to show that it's the Zoom, well in this case it's Zoom X. That's midsole cushioning. Traditional outlays of Air Jordan 1 outlays, so you've got the toe box there, the Nike swoosh, and up here in the collar you've got the wings logo. And if we go along, moving on, sorry, so if we go into the medial side, so you've got the traditional, again, Nike Air Jordan 1 placements there, but the only difference is that really dope like pink out stitch there, that's on the heel, and complements the aglets there on the pink lacing and the pink laces themselves. So you've got a choice between black laces and pink laces. And just want to round off with this exposed ankle support area where you can see the foam. And again, this is using a lot of the recycled materials, hence the name Space Yarn, Space Hippie. And that's really dope. It's really cool that Nike have been vocal about what they're doing in regards to sustainability, recycling materials and all that. And it's just nice to know all the big brands are putting their hand into it. It's really cool that there's visibility of all these big companies. They're showing that they're trying to change the way that they produce clothes and shoes, all for the betterment of society and, well, in the environment, because we're trying to sustain what we've got right here. So unfortunately I'm not going to be the one trying these on, so you're going to see a different pair of ankles than mine, but we'll give you feedback about what the size is, all the comfort, all that jazz, and here we go, we'll show you. If you're looking for a snug fit, go true to size, guys. But if you want a bit of a loose fit, go half size up. Other than that, it feels good. You know, it feels like I'm helping the environment. It's a good energy return. That midsole, the use of the Zoom X, and it's like, personally, I think it looks dope. Jeff agrees with me. So does Christopher. We'll give you the 360 and round it off from there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.